English speaking. Practice daily. How to use this lesson. This lesson is for beginner English learners. It exists to build reading confidence. Slowly. It includes a story, vocabulary, and questions. It also includes a rhyme and speaking task. Learners can improve reading, memory, and speaking skills. Learn carefully. Leo could write English quite well, but speaking always felt uncomfortable and slow. Words got stuck whenever he spoke. He avoided conversations whenever possible. Leo wanted to speak more confidently. His friend suggested a daily habit. Practice speaking for just 10 minutes. Speak alone if no partner exists. Consistency mattered more than perfection. Leo decided to try this method. Every morning, Leo spoke to himself. He described his plans for the day. Simple sentences, spoken slowly and clearly. At first, it felt strange and silly, but he continued without giving up. Soon he recorded his own voice. Listening back helped him notice mistakes. He corrected pronunciation, one word at a time. Recording became part of his daily routine. Leo's awareness of his speech improved. He started speaking with online partners. Nervous at first, stumbling over words. But daily practice made conversations easier. Sentences flowed more naturally over time. Leo's hesitation slowly began disappearing. His vocabulary became easier to access. Words once stuck now came quickly. Speaking felt less like translating silently and more like naturally expressing thoughts. Leo noticed real fluency developing steadily. Mistakes still happened, but differently now. Leo laughed instead of feeling embarrassed. He corrected himself and kept talking. Fluency mattered more than perfect grammar. Communication became his main daily goal. Weeks turned into months of practice. Leo's confidence grew with every conversation. He joined group discussions without hesitation. Speaking no longer felt frightening or difficult. It felt like a natural daily activity. People complimented his improved speaking skills. They asked what method he used. Leo simply said, "Practice speaking daily, even alone, even for a few minutes." Consistency had transformed his spoken English. Now Leo speaks English every single day. Confidence, fluency, and comfort now define him. Speaking used to feel impossible before. Daily practice changed everything for Leo. And it can work for you too. Vocabulary practice. Uncomfortable. Not relaxed. Causing unease. Example. Speaking always felt uncomfortable and slow. Consistency. Doing something regularly over time. Example. Consistency mattered more than perfection. Routine. A regular sequence of actions. Example. Recording became part of his daily routine. Hesitation. A pause caused by doubt or nervousness. Example. Leo's hesitation slowly began disappearing. Fluency. The ability to speak smoothly and easily. Example. Leo noticed real fluency. Developing steadily. Embarrassed, feeling shy or uncomfortable. About a mistake. Example: Leo laughed instead of feeling embarrassed. Confidence, belief in one's own ability. Example: Leo's confidence grew with every conversation, translating changing words from one language to another. Example: speaking felt less like translating silently. Comprehension questions. 1. What skill was Leo already good at? 2. What habit did Leo's friend suggest? 3. What did Leo do every morning? 4. How did recording his voice help Leo? 5. What happened when Leo spoke with online partners? 6. How did Leo's reaction to mistakes change? 7. What is Leo's secret to improved speaking? Rhyme section. Leo could write, but not quite speak. His words would hide. His voice felt weak. 10 minutes daily, alone or with friends. Slowly, the silence began to end. Mistakes still came, but that was fine. He kept on talking, line by line. Now Leo speaks with ease and pride. Daily practice was his steady guide. Speaking, writing task. Speak or write about your own experience with speaking English. Answer these questions in your own words. 1. What feels hardest about speaking English? 2. Could you practice speaking daily, even alone? 3. How would recording your voice help you? 4. What would fluency feel like for you? Great job! Now try to use confidence, fluency, hesitation, and consistency in your own speaking and writing. Practice a little every day. Your English will improve, step by step. Thank you for learning with us today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. For more English lessons, keep practicing and keep improving. See you next time.